In Zapier 101, we spent some time talking about what triggers are and how they work. To recap, a trigger is an event that starts a Zap, like when you receive a new form submission in your form or survey app. But did you know that there are different kinds of triggers? In fact, Zapier offers two types of triggers, instant and polling. With an instant trigger, the trigger app will instantly let Zapier know whenever there's new data. For example, if your trigger is a new form submission and it's an instant trigger, your form app will let Zapier know right away when someone submits a new form. Zaps with instant triggers are labeled instant on your dashboard and in the app directory. The majority of triggers, however, are polling triggers. Polling triggers will look for new information in the trigger app at specified intervals. Polling is a technical term. You'll often hear it used with APIs. But around Zapier, you might also hear polling and instant triggers referred to as a Zap run. Just know that these terms can be interchangeable. When using a polling trigger, Zapier will check for new data from your trigger app as often as every minute or as infrequently as every 15 minutes in order to start your workflow, depending on your subscription plan. The polling interval, which is called the polling speed or polling time, is how often the trigger looks for new information. For example, imagine that you have a Zap to move new leads from a Facebook lead ads into your email marketing app using a polling trigger with a 15-minute interval. Zapier will check Facebook lead ads for new leads on a 15-minute schedule and run the Zap if there are any new leads. However, with the 1-minute polling interval, Zapier would check Facebook lead ads for new information every minute. Earlier, we mentioned that polling intervals depend on your Zapier plan. You can find your plan's polling interval listed on the pricing page and on our website. Generally though, the higher the plan tier, the shorter the polling interval. We'll see you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button below. If you're new to this channel and like content like this, consider hitting the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.